Where are you today, Rich? Well, I'm in this lovely Warwickshire village here of Meriden. But why? Why are you here? Why are you here? Well, there's this big stone cross here, which we're going to have a look at now. Let's have a look. So here on Meriden Village Green in Warwickshire stands this ancient wayside cross that's been in the village for some 500 years. And by tradition, marks the centre of England, exactly in the middle of the country of England. This cross was rebuilt on the site when the green was improved in celebration for the Festival of Britain back in 1951. But this is where they say is the centre of England. This is impressive. The Bull's Head pub in Meriden, exactly where it is in the country. Wow. But because the way things are nowadays, there's always someone who says, no, no, no. So this here marks where it's traditionally the centre of England. But there's a claim in more recent years that if you count all the little islands around the outside of the country, the exact centre of all England's territories here on these isles is over crossing Leicestershire somewhere, some way that way. So here the traditional one or somewhere else? You decide.